Hello and welcome to this video. So today we're going to be looking at the new Framer interface. And I've been looking at it ever since it's released, and I think it looks nice. So the first one, I think we'll look at the projects. The project section looks nice. We'll just switch over to the marketplace and go to the feed. So here we have the feed, and you can interact with other Framer creators, and people can post their projects, just sharing your thoughts basically. It's like a new social media platform. Then can go to the hype. I don't know what the hype is about, but from the look of things, it's like showcasing some nice, exciting projects, maybe. And to the activity, maybe what you've been building, whatever you've posted. So I've posted something and I've said I'm loving the new Framer UI. And yeah, I quite love it. And as you can see, there are 3 people who have liked my post, which is nice. And going to the marketplace, you have your usual suspects, the templates, components, vectors, plugins, and Vitovos. Maybe let's just click one of them. And yeah, it looks really, really clean. So we'll go back to the all, and then to the gallery. Here is it shows a number of websites that have been built on Framer, and some of the best examples, and they actually look good. See this? I've actually gone and viewed it on my browser, and it looks good. It's actually a well-designed page. So it's a really, really nice design. Then let's click back again to the members. Here it shows a number of studios and Framer creators on this platform. As you can see, there's Nandy, my most recognizable to me, that is. Nandy, I've watched a lot of his tutorials on Framer, so he's taught me a lot actually, up to where I am today, so I can see Nandy, Ryan Haywad, and actually very, very many others. Hamzai-sun, I've seen him a number of times on YouTube, and I'm sure you've also seen most of these. Then finally, there is the contests. There are a number of prizes actually to be won. This is not a new feature, it's just they've just adjusted it and added it to this UI. So every month, or every couple of, I don't know if it's monthly or yearly, but there are usually competitions for building stuff inside of Framer. And yeah, this is just one of them, and there's 100K in prizes to be won, so you can join in to the Agents Hackathon. So this UI actually looks quite clean. And also I'll open one of the projects that I've encoded. Not encoded, but I use the agents rather to build this. And as you can see, if I click here and go back to the agents, okay, probably doesn't show me the history from yesterday. That's because it resets, but I basically dropped in a picture and it built it. No, it didn't do a perfect job. I had to go in and make some adjustments and corrections and arrange everything correctly, get rid of some of the unnecessary things it had added. For example, here, this card here had it had a problem with its opacity. Its opacity was set to 75%, so I just cranked that up to 100, or 1 rather. Then this, as you can see, this one does not have an icon, but this does have an icon, so it's probably missed that, but that's maybe, I think that must have been the picture's fault. The photo that I uploaded maybe didn't have an icon on that section, but overall it looks good. It's cleaner, and it's nice. So on the right panel, you just have the agent, where you can type in whatever you want to ask it, then back to your regular styling. So if you click any component, you can just style it however you want. And yeah, that's basically the walkthrough of the Frama user interface. It looks good. I approve of this.